Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a discount code to Squarespace. This is squarespace.com and I need first to log in to my account. Fill in your email address and password here and click on login. Click on this website button below the website you want to add a discount code in. Go to marketing from this list and click on discounts. Click on this black add discount button. Give it a name, for example, 20 off. You can fill in your code just like that or generate it automatically. I will go with 20 off. You can select between percent off or amount off or free shipping or local delivery. I will go with percent. Here fill in 20%. Applies to any orders over or single product orders or content and memberships or products by category. I will go with applies on any order. You can limit total use of this discount code. This feature is not available in my business Squarespace plan. Same thing with the customer limit and also the limit subscription discount. You can edit the start date just like that, and also the expiration date, or go with never expires. After that, make sure to click on this save button. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. And now go back to discounts, and this is your discount. Now let's try this discount code live. Let's check my online store on this website. Add this cup to the cart. Click on this cart icon, check out, and in this discount field I can enter my, and as you can see my 20 off discount code is applied successfully, and this is how much I earned. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.